Heroes have goals. They love to share their passion. They train with their horses and perform in the ring. They never give up. Day after day, they work their hardest because there is no other way to become the best. Our heroes have a world outside the ring too, a world colored in blue and purple, through a charity that is making a real difference. Just World International. When they are not riding and jumping, our heroes are sharing their time and their money with some of the poorest children on the planet. Children who need them. Children who need you too. Equestrians around the world have joined forces with Just World International and are working together for positive change in the developing world. By providing children with education, nutrition, health and hygiene, and helping them set goals for their lives, so that one day they too may become heroes. Just World has been their voice for nearly a decade. Help us, help them. Join us and become a hero too. Together for a just world. Just World International.